Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and as a dog and cat mom, I didn't want my house smelling like I had a dog and cats. This Pet Stain and Odor Miracle by Sunny Honey helps me keep my house stain-free and smelling fresh. We have found that recently this guy has taken to piddling just a little bit in my son's bedroom. I have no idea how long this has been going on. There were quite a few stains in there. Thankfully, this stuff does work even on old stains. I can smell this, but I have no issues with the way that it smells. It is so mild. It's a barely there scent, and it really deodorizes very well. I have used this on carpeting, on rugs, and even on furniture. Because if it's not my dog, then it's my cats and fur balls. You do want to test out your fabric first, just to make sure it's not going to be a problem. It was a little bit obvious at first with our velvet furniture that we had wiped it down, but after a bit of time, after it fully dried, it became much less noticeable. It is definitely one of those staples for our cleaning closet, and that's my point of view.